As you know that maximum dimensions for this pictorial view in terms of length, it's 70, height 60 millimeter, and the width 80 millimeter. And you came to know that your side view will be the left hand side view, and that will appear in on right side of your front view, because this solution we are going to give here is with the first angle projection method, right? So start with the line, draw one line,
direction of travel. Law of power is not this.
I will make the ortho mode here on so that I will get the straight line. Just one line I have to take, I have to draw. Okay, so I will be drawing one line here. So it will not be with any length you can take it. Okay, you can see the infinite one. Okay, and this line is going to be the XY line. As told you earlier, above XY line and below XY line, you will be drawing the line, two lines at approximately distance around 10 millimeter. Okay, so intentionally I am making this line with this color so that you will recognize that this is the XY line. Okay, then I will be going to the line, and from here at a distance of 10 millimeter, okay, I will get the point, and then I will be drawing one line. Then I will be again going to line, and from here, without drawing any extension touching from XY line, I am just taking the distance 10 millimeter. Okay, and then I will be drawing the line here. Even the 10, 20, you can take it. Okay, no matter whether you will take it 10, 10 or 20, 15. Okay, so that is not very important. Okay, so you know that your side view will be appearing on the right side of your front view. So it is better to mark the boundaries in terms of length, height, and width, and starting your front view from the left side. Okay, so that on right side you will get the sufficient space. So I will trying to get the boundary. I will for the front view. So length is 70. So first of all, I have to mark one point on this line, and then I will taking 70 millimeter. Okay, 70 on this side. Okay, then vertically I will get the height 60. Okay, and then I will be taking again 70 on this side, and I will close it with this one. Okay, so in this AutoCAD I will be making it visible and visible to you clearly. So I will be converting these boundaries into another color, so you can easily recognize the difference between that and those drawings in terms of boundary, right? So this is nothing but the boundary for your front view. Length is 70, height is 60. Okay, so then I will start taking the projection from here. So instead of taking the projection, what I can do, I will just going to this point, and then I will be taking the projections in line with that. Okay, and to the another horizontal line below XY line, I will be marking first point, and then I will be taking 80 millimeter, because 80 is the width here. Okay, then I can take the length by taking the projection from the front view, and I will get the point here. Then I will close this, and even though I will repeat the line here because I have to select it separately. Okay, and then again I will convert it into another color, a boundary line color, which you are selected for the front view boundary. Okay, right? So this way you can do it.
When this current starts rotating, you will observe that this slide
Right.
starts.
So we got the boundaries for front view and the top view here.
So now I am drawing that slider.
Then I will be drawing one more line, and that is again at a distance, suppose from here 10 millimeter. I will take the distance, okay, and then I will be drawing the line. Sorry, wrong selection. I will just delete it. I will taking the line from this point at a distance of 10 millimeter, okay, and then I will get line. I repeat it, okay. Even though this line I will convert into color which you have chosen for x1 xy line. Same will be the color I have chosen here for x1 y1 line, okay. I am not going to waste time in naming that xy line and x1 y1 line, okay. You understood very well, okay. Then I will drawing one more line from the intersection point here, and first of all I have to make this ortho mode off, and then I will be taking this 45 degree, okay. So I will take long line 45 degree, okay. So taking this 45 degree, even though I can give the angular dimensions here, I will choose this line, I will choose this line, and I will be showcasing the measurement here, okay. So as it is not visible, as you know that you have to go for the annotation and then click on manage dimension style. So in manual drawing you need not do it, but here in AutoCAD text height I will be taking suppose 3 symbols and arrows. The symbol size suppose we can take 2.5 or even 3 primary units precision. This is just for 0, and then I will go for this and I will make it above, okay, and I think I can say okay and close it. Now your dimensions are visible to you, okay. Right, I'll click on this and I will choose suppose any color, maybe okay. So you got this 45 degree angle. Yeah, but I think when you zoom it, I think it is not visible. So I think we have to go with this one only, right? Now you can take the boundaries. In manually, you just project it further from this. You extend it. If it is giving you the exactly at XY line, it's fine. If not, then you have to just make it correct. First of all, make ortho mode on. Take line. So we're not getting the exactly straight line here. So it is better you take the projections and you can go a bit away from this, and then I think it comes. Okay. Okay, leave it. Then you'll be taking the projections from this intersection point upward. Take it, select line, take the because ultimately the width, whatever it is, that you have to project it. Then project the height from the front view. So bottom most point that is already line is there, but from the top I can take it, and where it intersect I'll be getting the bond. Okay, right. So whatever the remaining part, either you can trim or you can keep as it is, not an issue. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to trim it, you just select this line, enter, adjust, cut it. Okay. You just go to trim and
this is fixed. Okay. So this is called as the twisted. Here we will call it
so
slider.
in this way you will get the boundaries. Now what I will doing here, I'm just converting this line or drawn line, okay, and I want this much only, so I can select it alone. So I'll be just converting it into boundary color code. Any color you can choose, not specific, but in my case I'm considering this one. Okay, now this is nothing but the boundary for your front view, top view, and the side view. Okay, now you have to think about actual view within this boundary. Okay, now I will get the I will do it. See, uh, when you're looking from this end, when you are looking from this end, what is visible to you? This first line, base line, it is visible. Then this vertical line is visible. This vertical line is visible. Okay, then there is a slot by depth from at approximately half of that 30, that is like say 30, half of 30, 15 millimeter from the base edge. Okay, so accordingly I will take it, right? Then this point is going to be the overlap with this point because it is not inclined. And then in front view, this inclined portion, it is seen as a vertical line, correct? Because any inclination looking from this end, it will not be seen to you. Okay, but it will be seen in a side view, not in a front view. Okay, so from that point of view, we will start drawing the lines one by one visible to you. Okay, so I will stop annotation here. Right. So what is visible to you? This bottom line, it is clearly visible. First of all, I will select this line. This bottom line is clearly visible. Then 30 millimeter from bottom, it is clearly visible. 30. Okay. Then on this line, for 15 millimeter, it is visible. 15. I will take 15. Then from that point, we can go 15 millimeter down. Okay. And then okay, just a minute. Is the line from here of 15 millimeter, right? Then going down 15 millimeter. Sorry, how much we are taken? Just let me remove this. Okay, so from here, just so from this end, how much is the height? 30. So 30. I will get the point, and then on side 15 millimeter. From there again 15 millimeter. Again from there 15, 15, 30 means this is going to be the 40 millimeter in the slot. Then again going 15 millimeter up and finally closing with this one. Okay, so this shot visible to you in terms of C. Okay, right, but this another edge is also visible to you, right? So if you see, this edge is visible to you from the front side. This edge is visible, but this already drawn here. Okay, this part and this 15 millimeter is already drawn it. Then vertical edges from here that already drawn here. Then the bottom edge completely throughout length that already done. Okay, so similarly you just go on adding the lines or arcs or whatever in problem. Okay, then I will going again to the line command. So I must have to draw line.
Okay, these are all
From this intersection, I will be closing it. Okay, right. Now this is what the base part, it is visible to you from the front view. Even though I'm making it this line in a color. Okay, then upper part, that is with the inclination, that is also visible to you. So from here you'll see the complete edge. Then on this side 25 millimeter, of course 25 millimeter I will take it. Okay, yeah. So then depth is 20 millimeter depth, because it is given 20 millimeter. Then I will be going again 50 total 25 25 50. So internal slot will be of 20 millimeter length. I will take 20 and I will close it. Even though I will be just closing this one, and I will be drawing this part also. Okay, right. If I convert it into, see what you saw here is
blue color part.
this edge is nothing but this one. This inclined line represents in a 2D is this one, and similarly the next half part. Okay, similarly the depth of slot given is 20. So from here we have taken 20 millimeter on both sides, and this 25 and this 25 becomes 50, right? So out of 70, if you minus subtract this 50, then this length becomes 20. Okay, this you are going to get 20 millimeter length. Okay, obviously. So from this end point we have taken 20, and then we have closed it. Okay, so this way you will get the front view, right? So what I will do here, I just stop annotate. Then I will for just clarity, what I am going to do, I will select this whole answer, all those lines. I am just selecting it and converting it into the another color, so that you will understand. Okay, so I'll convert into pink color. Okay. I think I forget to select this line. Okay, I will select that too. Okay, now this is actually the front view, right? So this is going to be your front view, which is visible to you. Okay, dimensional part that we'll do later, or even though if required, even though I will doing the dimensions right now. Okay, see from here this 25 dimensions, from here 25. Similarly dimensions here, if you wanted to take 60, right? So whatever remaining few more dimensions you can give it later on. Okay, so even though you can convert the dimensional part into single color, so if you use the color for 45-degree angle, so as the dimensions, so you can go with this. Okay, right? Then in top view, okay, in top view, what you will get here. Okay, so for top view, see first before I start drawing any line, see in top view, if I say suppose this part number 1, this is 2, 3, this C as a 4, and this 5, and this slot 6. These 6 surfaces are visible to you in top view. When looking from the top, okay, these surfaces are visible to you. Okay, so that you supposed to take it. But in front view, this part number, surface number 1 and 3, in your front view, these lines of this section is going to represent it, right? Similarly, for this slot, this will be the representative. For this internal slot, this will be the representative. Okay, so we'll be taking the projections from those surfaces and we'll be going to complete your top view. Okay, so let's start with the drawing line one by one. In top view, from here, see, you can, in manual drawing, you'll be taking the projection lines from here straight away. Okay, okay, but with AutoCAD, you can get it, or otherwise you can take this length as 25. Okay, then take it for 15 millimeter, because 15 millimeter is the width of that step. Okay, then just close it, right? So from here, this you are going to get it. Then from this end, also you will be taking it 25, then going down for 15, and close it here. Okay, then the remaining part is just look at the bottom surface, because from here you can see 15 millimeter, then depth of 25 millimeter, then slot. In manual drawing, you can take the projection from here directly and you will get it. Okay, you will get this 40 and you just close it. You close it like this. Okay, and even from here you can close it, because in the top this rectangle will be visible, that surface which I have mentioned with the letter. Okay, that is visible. Okay, then one more thing, see, this is nothing but the distance 40 from this end. This end it is 40, and then you will find this line is visible to you, right? This line is visible to you. Okay, so that will take now. Okay, so here I'll be again going to select line from this end. I will be taking 40 millimeter. I will be going by 40 millimeter here. Okay. Enter, and I will draw one line, right? So then I will complete this one. This is visible. Even though this is completely visible to me in top view. Okay. In this one, it is completely visible. This one completely visible. Okay. So I will convert this into color. This is not 100% complete top view. Okay, something is remain, but that will be taken later on. Okay. Right. So then I will change the color. Right. So this will be the top view. Yeah, a few more lines I have to convert. I will first select it. Okay, not an issue. I will convert this and this line same color. I hope that you continue with the drawing simultaneously. Okay, then in side view, I will be going to side view. So in side view, I will be showing with the annotation that this line is completely visible. This to up to 20, then there will be the slot of height 5 millimeter from this end. Then this line is visible, this inclination line is visible to you. Okay, so that will take one by one. Okay, so let's start with the getting. So of course in manual drawing you can take the projection from here. You can take the projection from here. You need not rely on the actual taking actual dimensions. You can take it even from here. Okay, whatever it is possible, you can take it. Okay, you can take the projections from this end upward. You take the projection from this point also and find where it is applicable. Okay, so take the projections.
At this point, here you have that point of contact.
Then you will be taking the projections,
Surface contact.
or you can start drawing the lines one by one. So this complete line is visible to you. I will be drawing this line from here at a distance of 20 millimeter. Okay, I can go for 20 millimeter. Then from 20 millimeter, I will be going 5 millimeter up.
Different types of pairs.
Then
So this link 1 and this
40.
table, let us call it as table 2. Okay. Then 1.
Then I will be
They are
coming to this line, and I will be getting this line. Okay.
and suppose this is 3.
Suppose if I convert this line,
Then 3 and
this one,
then
this one,
here. Everyone does
okay, even this line,
So whenever
not a
surface is
complete
in
one.
contact,
Okay,
we call it
so
as
sorry. So
wherever
from here,
or line is in contact, we call it.
I will be getting the line, this one, this line, this line, this one, this one,
A pen is rolling on
this one. I'll just make converting it to this color so that
pen.
it will be visible to you clearly. Okay, then I will drawing this line till this line, and then I am taking the projections from here also. I will be taking the projection from here also. Okay, I am taking projection from this also. Right. So again, I will be going to the line. I will drawing this line till this, and then intersection of, first of all, I have to make ortho mode off. Then this line intersection up to this point, it will give the inclined line. I just converting this line into color. So in your drawing, you can make it dark. Then from here, I'll taking line, and then I'll be going like this. Okay, so I will make this line dark. So with purple color, you can treat this as a dark lines. Okay, right. So this is what your side view visible to you. Okay, from that point, right? Then by taking the projection from here and getting the inclination at this point, I will be taking the projections from this point, and it will give the understanding by what distance it will be going down.
The nature of relative motion, that is sliding pair and turning pair.
Okay, leave it. I'll just undo it.
Screw pairs,
I'll cross. I'll draw the line.
But again, this can be categorized as sliding or turning.
Okay, and the intersection of this point at 45-degree line, it will give the another line. And now you can complete.
Now, whenever a mechanism is there, I have already seen there are links on some things. Like the four links are now, whenever such links are there,
Then I will get the extension
provided what
this.
condition is being satisfied. What is that condition? Okay. So suppose we have this kind of mechanism.
Okay. So actually, I just undo it. I will drawing it by making this ortho mode on.
Okay. Now from the figure you can make out now, which is the smallest link here. Can you take it? link number 1. Link 1 is smallest.
So this will be the slot which I have mentioned here. This slot visible in top view will be up to this line, and this actually reference you are going to get from this intersection projection line cutting the or meeting this inclined surface, this one. Okay, where it, so accordingly you will project it and get it in a top view and complete this one. Okay, yeah. So this what the things visible to you, right? Some of the things features are not visible in front view, top view, and the side view. Okay, so now we'll talk about those invisible things or invisible lines, right? So while looking at this, see, I just annotated it. Yeah, see, in top view and even in front view, when looking from the front view and even in top view, this slot is not visible 5 millimeter in height. This slot is visible, mean not visible means there are some there is line passing through this throughout its length. Similarly from here it is going throughout its length, right? But it is not visible. That slot is throughout its length but not visible in top view. Similarly, this slot is there but not visible in front view. Okay, so for that you can draw the dotted lines. So if things the lines are not visible, then you will be showcasing it with the dotted line. Okay, dotted line means dash break dash break dash. Dash line is also called as a dotted line. Okay, so how you can project those dotted lines here, that I will show you. Okay, from here go to line, take select one point, this point, and just project it throughout length. It is not visible. You just redraw a line from this end to this end and then try to convert this line into dotted line. How to convert it? This one more command you are going to learn today. So again, from here you take the projections, sorry, okay, now you just locate the intersection point for this slot. This is the intersection point and it will give the straight line, then intersection of 45-degree line and this line, it will give the, sorry, I will drawing the line through intersection of this slot line. Okay, then I will be just going for the redraw of line from this point to this point, then one more line from this boundary line to this boundary line.
Okay, now there is one more that is called as the inversion.
Okay.
Inversion is what suppose this four bars are there.
This line.
If I fix one of these bars, I call it as inversion. If I fix this one, I will get to see here. Now, if I fix this link,
I convert it into
that will be the first
this one. Okay, then I will be going to by layer here. Look at in AutoCAD. Manually you can take a dash dash dash, but in by layer you have to add some lines. You go to others, and then in others you can go for show loading lines. So here, like suppose dash line, a space. Okay, two more lines you can load it in a one go. So according to suitable lines, you can choose it. So here the dash lines, dash, dash, dash. I don't know which will be perfect for your case. You can even hit a 9. Okay. Okay.
Application is reciprocating. This is reciprocating. Second, it was check here when rank is fixed. Rank which part rotating part of that itself is fixed.
So what I will do, I will just make it okay, and I will load it. Okay. Okay. Let's select this line, because this line is supposed to be dotted line as far as this case is concerned. I will be selecting these lines and just going to line by layer. I'm trying to select the appropriate line. If suppose if I take this one or this, okay, leave it. Then I will be going to the line, and then I will be doing the others. And here global factor, if I take is suppose 5. Okay, let's check what happens if I take the global factor 5. I found that this line dash are visible to me. If I convert it into another color, let's check whether it is visible to you or not. Okay. Just leave it. I'll make it white first. Okay, leave it. Background colors. Okay, then I'm just converting. I will just again going to the by layer. Let's check by how much global factor will be going to get it. Let's check it. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So I'm working for the dashed line, but because of combination of those lines, I'm unable to just wait. What I will do, I will delete it. Even though I will just delete this one. I will delete this one. Okay. Then I will be taking the line from this intersection. Okay. Even though this one, I'm just going to delete. Okay. Okay. Then I will be taking the project intersection from here, and I will be going.
But I remember taking this correctly. Yeah.
Just a minute. Wait for some time.
This was in the beginning. This cannot be wrong.
Yeah. Now we are getting the dotted lines here. Okay. Take the intersection of this. I have to convert this into the line. Okay, so these are the dotted lines are visible for the invisible features, invisible in one view. Okay, and now as far as your top view is concerned, side view is concerned, only one thing is not visible, that is nothing but the this line. Okay, this slot is not visible to you. So first of all, you have to convert it into the, so first of all, you just remove this line. Okay, and you find this slot in this dotted line is visible to you, not up to this. I have to take this point up to this length. Okay, so now I convert it into the dotted one. Okay, and this is going to give the complete solution. Okay, you just look at this front view, top view, and the side view. Okay, see, this is the front view, complete front view, that is in purple color. This side, this is a complete side view, and this is going to be your top view completely. Okay, including the visible, invisible features. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then you can give the dimensions here wherever needed here. In this case, very important dimensions you're supposed to give it here. This 15 in top view. In top view, what is visible important, that you can take it. Then yeah, uh, one more line is there, but we deleted it. Okay, at 40 millimeter, this one. Okay, this line is supposed to be there, right? Now we can go the dimensions from here at a distance. How much it is? 40. We're supposed to get it 40 from here. Yeah, 40 is there. Yes, correct. So these dimensions I will be taking from this end. I'm getting it 40. I must have to convert it to this color. Okay, it is 40. Then dimensions, just a minute, dimensional part. Here from this point to this point, this 15 millimeter is there. Okay, then
you have completed the biogas plant, am I right?
This sort, the 15 millimeter, and go to the dimensions.
Have you solved questions based on that biogas plant?
Again through the dimensions.
लेकिन आप कर सकते हैं just today itself I have created that biogas plant. I have created one assignment.
So in dimensions, you want this point to this point, you can project it like this. Okay, but in between also you can take it, making it so maximum dimensions you will be going to cover up with in front view and top view. Very rarely, sometimes if it is required, you can give those dimensions in side view. Otherwise, you try to finish all dimensioning part within front view and top view. Okay. So, here you can add the text. Orthographic projection topic is okay. Orthographic projection. Problem number 1. Draw front view in the direction of arrow x. Okay. Top view and side view. For the pictorial view, shown in figure. I think it got deleted. I think so. Not an issue. And again going to the okay. It is not visible, so what I will do, I will be going to the scales. I will select this as object, press enter, base point I will be specifying this, and I will take it, suppose 12 times. Okay, then I will enter it. Okay, now I think it is visible to me. Okay, if you wanted to change again the scale, if you want to make bit bigger than this, I will select base point and then factor, suppose 2. Okay, yeah, if it is not very close to the dimensions, what I will do, I will click on the move command and I will press enter. Then I will move, select object, this one, press enter, base point, this one, and I just taking it to close to this. Okay, right, that's it. You can select this and you can convert it into the other color. Okay, so in this way you can give the title. On right side you can give the description, personal information as usual. Okay, You can edit it by saying that topic orthographic projection. Sheet number 2, problem draw front view in the direction X or arrow, comma, top view and side view for the pictorial view shown in figure. So this will be the simple problem statement here. Okay. Similarly, for sheet number 2, the same topic, sheet number, only here edition problem number 1. This is the problem number 1, right? So when you take the second problem, then it will be the problem number 2.